Copy, deactivate the backlight in eclipse. Good copy. Range.
You saw just a moment ago, and we have in view from the truss cameras on the International Space Station, the Soyuz TMA-21. This view again coming from the Soyuz, and now the view from the ISS cameras as Samokrutyaev, Borisenko, and Garin negotiate the final 100 meters for a docking to the Poisk module on the space-facing side of the Zvezda service module of the International Space Station. The other Soyuz that currently resides at the station, the TMA-20, that is the vehicle for Kondratiev, Coleman, and Nespoli, is at the opposite side, just down the road from where this Soyuz will dock. That TMA-20 vehicle is docked at the Rosviet module, which is on the Earth-facing side of the Zarya module of the International Space Station.
Range 70, range rate decimal 4. I see the target on the VSK. Copy, good news. Range 57 meters, range rate decimal 28. Copy. C1 is 1. See station motion relative to the center of the screen within 1 degree. SSVP confirms ready. Range 40 meters. Range rate decimal 24. Copy. Tarkhani, please issue R5. R5 in work. Andrei, please issue R5. Yes, I copy. R5 has been issued. Copy. Seeing station motion.
The visiting vehicle officer at the Mission Control Room in Houston at the Johnson Space Center reports that the Corps' automated rendezvous antenna on the Soyuz TMA-21 has retracted as advertised as the distance continues to be closed by Samokrutyaev for a docking to the Poisk module. Now some 37 meters separating the Soyuz and Poisk.
Message received.
Everything continuing to perform as scheduled. You can see just under the docking port that is the docking target, to which will be aligned a short time from now via the Corps' system, the passive system on the Russian segment side of the International Space Station. And there's a view as we approach orbital sunset of the Soyuz TMA-21. In the middle section of that Soyuz are Samokrutyaev, Borisenko, and Garin, dead on for an on-target docking to the Poisk module just minutes from now.
Slowly up and towards the center, continuing approach. Tarkhani, please issue R5. In work. R5 complete. Copy.
The Soyuz now within 20 meters of docking, closing at a rate of 0.2 of a meter per second. Everything continues to perform normally on the Soyuz vehicle as the Soyuz and the International Space Station approach the coast of Chile.
Continuing approach, images crisp. Have the misalignment on roll. Sasha, this is nominal. Copy. Other than that, everything is aligned. Copy. 1.5 marks on small diameter.
Now 12 meters separating the two spacecraft. Rate of closure 0.1 of a meter per second. The Soyuz and the International Space Station about to cross the Andes Mountains.
SSVP, screen is ready. Standing by for contact. Range rate 15.
Flight controller standing by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
Stable. Sasha, we are confirming good approach. Everything looks good. Little bit off on the crosses. Target moves down. This is nominal.
Contact and capture, docking confirmed.
Have mechanical connection.
Docking confirmed at 3:09 a.m. Moscow time, 6:09 p.m. Central Time. The Gagarin spacecraft slips into port at the International Space Station, honoring the golden anniversary of the dawn of human spaceflight.